In this question, the terms are given in the form of product. So first I need to change the expression in adding form so that I can use the integration. I can use the integration method separately for each term. So I know that sin A sin B equals to 1 by 2 cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So if I use the formula in the expression, let's take first two terms. So it will be 1 by 2 cos of x minus 2x, which is minus of x minus cos A plus B, which is x plus 2x, 3x, and the sin x will be off. Here I can write it as sin 3x cos x minus sin 3x cos 3x. So and from here I know that sin 2x equals to 2 sin x cos x, so it will be here it will be sin 6x by 2. Here it is sin 3x cos x. So and I know that sin A cos A equals to 1 by 2 sin A plus B minus plus sin A minus B. So if I use the formula to change this expression, I'll get 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 2 sin A plus B 3x plus x sin 4x plus sin A minus B, which is 3x minus x, so it will be sin 2x minus sin 6x by 2. So the given expression is changed in the sum form, so it will be sin 4x by 4 plus sin 2x by 4 minus sin 6x by 4. Now I can integrate them separately. So I will be now integration of sin 4x by 4 plus sin 2x by 4 minus sin 6x by 4 with respect to dx. So I know that integration of sin 4x is minus of cos 4x by 4, and here it is 1 by 4. Integration of sin 2x is minus of cos 2x by 2, and integration of it will be integration of sin 6x is minus of cos 6x by 6 plus c is our integration constant. So just simplifying the terms, we will get cos 6x by 24 minus cos 4x by 16 minus cos 2x by 8 plus c. So this will be our answer.